name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Hey yo, I been on, bitch you been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been formed. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I was supposed to film this on Saturday, but see what happened was I decided to take a break from filming and just people and, well, except for one person, and enjoy my weekend. So I am filming this video Monday morning. It's going to be a look that I did over the weekend that I was supposed to film, didn't film, filming it now again, so I'm going to redo the look. No one saw the look except for a friend, and that is because I usually don't post my makeup looks on Sundays. So yeah, I did this look yesterday. I like how it turned out, and I got to use two palettes that I haven't used in a couple months. It is the, well, I usually only use them in the fall anyway. It is the Morphe 35OS and 35F. I am going to be changing between these two palettes constantly. If you've never seen them, this is the 35F and this one is the 35OS. So I'm going to use these two to create a look for fall. So enough talking, let's get started. So, as always, I'm going to go and do everything else off camera, including putting this liner on. This is actually a
burgundy liner. It's not black. If you're new to my channel, I use this a lot in the fall. It is from the brand Witch's Pouch. I love their liners. Why? Because they just go on so easy. But I'm going to go and do all of that off camera because everybody does their own, like, they have their own foundation ways and etc, etc. So I don't see a point in putting that on camera. So I will be back with a finished face minus highlight, I guess, and lipstick. So yeah, be back. Now, obviously, I'm not done with the contouring of my nose. I saved that for last. I'm going to be using one of my favorite highlighters that I bought here in Korea. I try not to use it just because I love this picture of Audrey, well, the caricature of Audrey Hepburn on it, and I love Audrey Hepburn. So I try not to use this as much, but I notice that in the fall I like to use it because it's like I don't know, it just looks really good. So, this is from the brand Clio, and this is one of they have different highlighters, like with Marilyn Monroe, Audrey Hepburn. There's one with Frida Kahlo on there. They're like, and the marble one is the Frida Kahlo one, and I didn't get it, and I can't find these anymore, so definitely try not to use this up. It's just a really pretty, soft, not too crazy gold highlight. It's not, again, it's not too crazy, but it's really pretty. So I'm going to pop this here, here, and here. And for the last part of this video, I'm going to take these two lip products. One is from ColourPop. This is their shade Candy Paint, their lippy stick. And then this is the lip luminizer slash lip topper from Fenty Beauty in the shade Vacray. And this is a finished look. I added a Fenty Trophy Wife to my Cupid's bow and a little of my inner corners to make it pop more. So, yeah, I actually like this look. I like this look a lot. My hair feels gross. The extensions, I think I should cut the extensions to make them match more because they are all the way down there and then all the way down there. But I think I like it like that just in case I do a half up, half up. Half up, half down, like I did on Saturday. I like this. I like this a lot. I wasn't expecting to like this. It looks really gloomy outside, so I think I'm gonna have to put a hoodie on, which sucks because I really like this shirt, which I got from Fashion Nova, but I don't think they have this anymore. I think it's sold out. But anyway, this eye look, it looks better than it did yesterday. I hate when that happens. Does that happen to anybody else? That happens to me a lot. I'll do a look one day, then I'll repeat the look, and it always looks better than the first time I did it. And I'm really annoyed because it didn't look this good yesterday. Like, I did the same exact look, same colors, same style with the liner and the lashes, same lip color, but I didn't put Vacray on top. I thought I'd do that today, but I'm annoyed because this looks so much better. Like, I'm looking past the camera at the mirror and I can see, and it looks really good. But darn, this ring light, it hurts. This one's too bright. I don't see how people do the bright ones. This hurts. I mean, yes, my video quality looks so much better now, but it hurts so bad. Like, it hurts a lot. And I have texture because I had an allergic reaction. I got a shot for it, but he said that the raisedness of my skin would go down by tomorrow, and I hope it does. I had an allergic reaction. I ate something I ate some type of soup, and I don't know what was in the soup, and my face just flared up, and the rosacea came back. But of course, with the face cream that I have, that went down. But the texture, I can feel it, and it feels disgusting. So I know I won't be eating soup anymore unless I know if it's not chicken noodle soup, I'm not eating it. Period. Just because this was all unnecessary. That's another reason why I couldn't film, because after meeting my friend on Saturday morning, we went to lunch and I had the soup and my face was red anyway, so that wouldn't have been a good look on camera, just me filming and all this is red, and because I didn't have that much makeup on. Like, I looked, but there's like this much foundation. I did like 2 pumps just to hide my under eye bags, which I could have just said that with concealer. Anyway, oh, FYI, it is October 1st. My birthday is in 13 days. For my birthday, the day of my birthday is when I'm going to open it, and I'm going to make a video for it. I'm going to be doing a giveaway that goes from my birthday, October 14th, to Halloween. And this giveaway is going to be something really simple. It's just going to be a Sephora gift card. So you can get whatever you want, because the person that won my giveaway, she got her stuff. I think it was a she. Like, I didn't see the picture of the person. They got their stuff, and they asked, why is there so many Korean stuff? Like, why is there so much, even though I like put the instructions in English for all the face stuff, why there was so much Korean stuff? Like, did you not read? I live in Korea. Like, clearly they didn't watch the video, which means for this giveaway, it's going to be video only. If you don't watch my video, then you can't enter and you won't win. But anyway, that's it for this video. That's all for this look. Again, keep a lookout for the mention of the giveaway and the start of the giveaway. That's it. That's all. I will see you all Wednesday. Bye.